Hi, welcome to Miss T Ideas. Um, I'd like to welcome you to another video, and hey, you're welcome to my channel. If you see anything you might like about my channel, that you like about my channel, please decide whether you want to like or subscribe. I appreciate it. Trying to get my channel together. I'm almost at 500. This is going to be my milestone, and y'all going to stop hearing my mouth once I get that, okay? But I'm excited. I'm glad everybody's here, and I'm fixing to show you a project I've been working on. I've been making I've been using envelopes. I've been using envelopes to make supply holders for my ephemera and my small pieces on my desk. And I made this. First I made the little booklets that you've already saw. The little booklets that you've already saw on another video. That's the booklets. And I've made them out of, I had some envelopes that I wasn't using. I really didn't like. And I used some scrapbook paper. I used some lace. I just, put this together. And you've seen this. And I got another one just like it. That's all it is scrapbook paper and envelopes. You can use junk mail envelopes. I just happen to have these. But all the rest of them that I make is going to be junk mail envelopes. Because the way you fold the envelope, you really can't see your business on it. So I'm just going to use scraps. But I want to show you this. And I want to show you this turntable I have it on. I never thought about the turntable, but I knew I bought 2 turntables on sale at the Dollar General a while back. And I just set it on top of there, and I said it'd be neat, just stick my little stuff in here. I already have some stuff in here, and I pinned it. I just clipped it together like that to hold, but I don't have to have it in there. I said I was going to put them all in one of these and leave it on my desk because, stickers, when you're looking for your stickers and stuff, it needs to be somewhere kind of organized a little bit instead of digging through drawers and stuff for your stickers. So this really, it's like this or like this. Isn't that cute? And there's envelopes. Stuck them together, made accordion style envelopes to put. This is going to be left on my desk or somewhere close. It's going to be on top of the desk. Because I have an L shape there. So I can put this in the corner somewhere so my labels and stuff could be at reach. And this one here, I made this with a little cardstock, to support the openings. But really, I didn't have to because this is just with the paper envelopes and I didn't put nothing there. Isn't that cute? So I already have stickers in here. And while I'm making these, ephemera holders, these sticker holders to hold my stickers, this is going to be for my desktop, y'all. And while I'm making this, I'm thinking about what is the cheapest way. Of course, I didn't pay nothing for these. I had all my supplies already. These envelopes. And I had the cardstock, of course. I didn't, but I've been thinking about how can, I like to upcycle. And I've been thinking about how and what I could upcycle to make this the cheapest way possible. And I already didn't pay nothing for that. I already had the stuff. But I thought about, I would love some plain envelopes. You can get some plain envelopes from the Dollar Tree. About 15 of them for, I don't know how many in that box. but for $1.25, I use 4 to make these. I use a set of 4. That way it have 8 pockets. Or you can use more than that. But I already had my stuff. But I was thinking about making some with magazine paper on it, or newspaper, just some plain white ones like that, or even inking. You know, putting some stencil on them. They really don't need that because you won't be able to see it. Yeah. Well, that's my turntable. It says spin me. Okay. And what I did was I got a lot of bags, brown bags, grocery bags. So I decided I would try to make some out of that. Let me put this up. Just sit that in there. And let me open this back up. You see the pockets? I just got a clip right here. Because I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know if I'm going to make this a permanent fixture right now, like this. But I know I'm going to use the pockets, of course. I started to put me a little hook right here in the middle. And, you know, I'm imagining it, y'all. I'm trying to see it. A little hook like that would come out like an umbrella or something. I could hang my pens on it or something. You know, kind of make it a little fancy. But, yeah. I advise these, y'all. This is so cute. This is so cute. Y'all know them stickers we have? And stuff, little stuff we have in our little crafting drawers. Put that in here. Put that in there. So, I made one with a bag. With a grocery bag. And I want to see how that goes. You know, I'm looking for the cheapest way. And I'm looking for things I have. So I upcycled this bag. And guess what? While I'm talking to y'all, I'm thinking what I haven't thought about, I can make it out of book pages too. I think that would be neat. An upcycled book, like we get our book pages from, yeah. That would be so neat. So, I don't think you can get enough storage. Especially storage that you're making with paper. And that's what we do, you know, paper craft. Now, if I want to, I can stamp the outside of this with stencil. And I just might. Just depending on what day you catch me on, I might. And, yeah. This is what I've been doing. And these are so simple. I sit on my bed and make these. Envelopes. That's it. The reason why they're open is I got stickers in them already. Here's some stickers. Here's some stickers. I got a lot of different kind of stickers that I forget about. I don't want to waste none. These some stickers. When you don't have your little stuff at arm's reach, that you can reach, I mean, you'll end up buying stuff over and over. This is some fall stickers. More stickers. Yeah, and I've been having these stickers, but being put in drawers and file folders and stuff like that, you forget what you have. Let's see what else I got. Little paint tip cards. Got little tape stickers. I have holes that I punched for buttons and dangles. This is cardstock, all different kind. I even made a little tab right here. I just covered it with cardstock. And I just stuck it right here. Not that it's going to stay right there. You know, when we're planning the paper, you know, and not really thinking about a direction, just playing, you make some stuff. And I got some more stickers here. I got stickers in here. I got stickers everywhere. So this is what I'm going to use. These envelopes I got from a estate sale. And, you know, they was cheap. I got it from an estate sale, but I really didn't like them. So I repurposed them. I upcycled them. I upgraded them, if you will. And as you can see right here, that's all I did. And then, that's it. Upcycled grocery bag. I went to the store, got me some groceries, and I told them I wanted them in paper bags. So, put these stickers. There's some scriptures here. Put them in there. So, yeah, Miss T Ideas. I come up with some ideas, y'all. Well, I'm going to end this video. I'm not going to just rattle on. Hey, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for everyone that supports the channel. I appreciate you so much. And I'm going to say bye till the next video. Bye-bye. Hope I've showed somebody something that they like. Miss T's idea. Bye-bye.